Hello guys, welcome back to the course and I am Sheshadhree from India. So right now let us continue our tutorial. So what I have did in the previous tutorial is the error is not going. So what I did is I just deleted the toast message so that won't be shown. So now let us build for register activity, that is login activity. Now let us log in. We need this and we need layout. And the name of this is login phone number edit text, and this one is login password edit text. Let us just do it first. Private edit text input password input phone, and now private progress dialog. Let it be, have it right here. It's progress dialog. It's progress dialog, and we have a button. Let us create a button and let us name it as login button. I think now it's enough. So now let us get the reference for it. Input password equal to find. Five. Wait a second, guys. Find your ID or dot ID dot login phone number text input phone. This is password also. Yeah, it's login password text. And for this, it is find your ID. It is login password edit text. Yeah. It is login phone. Yeah. Now still what do we have? We have a progress dialog. Progress dialog equal to new progress dialog of this. And still what we have button. Yeah, we have a button. It's not login button. Go to find your ID dot login button. Login button. Yeah, it's login button. And I think that's it, guys. What do we have still? Yeah, one. Yeah, that's it. Now let us login. Login button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Let us create a method for it. Login user. Let it be this method, and let us just create method. And what we are going to do is we are going to copy these two, and we can paste it right here. It is input phone, and this is input password, and we can copy these also. Yeah, we can copy everything, copy all, and now we can paste it right here. Yeah, your phone is empty. Yeah, okay. While we are logging logging into your account. We don't need name, we only need phone and password. Authorize user. Let this be the method name and we can create this method. Yeah, a new method is being created. Now let us just copy these. Copy this and paste it. And database reference dot add single value. Add listener for single value event. New, because only one time this listener will work. And what we are going to do is if data data snapshot dot child, we are going to use the users node, but we are going to use the same login page for admin and employees also, so we are not going to write like this. So instead of this we can create a string, private string parent db name, that is parent db name is equal to, make sure every spelling is correct, users. Instead of this, let us do the parent db name dot child of phone dot exist. If it exists, what we want to do? First, we need to, what we want to do is we need to check the database. That is, let me show you guys. Wait a second. We have no internet connection. Yeah, right now we have internet connection. Let us reload. The password and the mobile number which the user enters should be equal to the password and the mobile number right now, right in the database. That is, wait a minute, let me show you. I think I have deleted everything. Let us just create a node. Join now. Let's type our name Sheshadhree and let us give it as 1234 and the number password as 1234. Let us register. It is creating our account. Yeah, our account has been created. So the password and the name which you are entering in this login activity should be equal to the phone and the password right here. The phone and the password should be equal to this phone and password. So for that, what we want to do is we need to get the current online user. For that, let us go here and let us create a package. To get the database reference, we need to create a package of wait, let us create a package first. New package which contains of model class. The model class is basically used for getting the current online user and the value of that particular node. That is, if we want to get the value of all the users, we can use the model class. You will understand it later, guys. As we are going to the pros, you can understand it very well. New Java class, let it be users. And here we need to create the string variables because the database is stored as string, private string, and the string which you are using here should be equal to these names. So private string name, password, and if the spelling is wrong, your application doesn't work. So make sure the spelling of these things and these things should be same. Name, password, and phone. And we need to create a null constructor, generate constructor of null constructor, and we need to create the constructor for all the parameters. Generate constructor for all the parameters. Now we need to get the getter and setter, that is to get the current, wait a minute guys, to get the current user's name, password, and phone. You need to click on getter and setter. So to get a current online user, we can create one more package. It can be named as prevalent or something like that. Here we need to create a new Java class, which can be named as, it can be also named as prevalent. Yeah, it is prevalent class, and we need to create a private static. We need to get this users class, that is this, we need to implement this method. I mean, we need to inherit this class, and we need to create a current online user. Yeah, now it's perfect. By accessing this, method, we can able to get the current password and phone number of the particular user. Let me show you how, guys. So this users data, we can get the users data and store it in that users class. We need to get the users data from this phone number, that is from, we need to get these values, and we are storing these values in the users class, that is in this users dot data snapshot dot child of phone, no, parent db name dot child of phone dot exist dot, I think not exist, dot get value, and we need to pass this users class, users dot class. We are getting all the values and we are passing it to users class. So for each time each user logins, the value of the user class will change. After this, if users data dot, see, we can get the name, password, and phone of that, and so we need to get the, first we need to get the phone dot equals phone, that is this phone should be equal to this phone, that is the text which have entered by the user. If these both are equal, and we can check the password also now, if users data that get password, no, password dot equals password, if it is equal to password, now we can let the user to log in. If both are equal, we can get the toast message, and congrats, logged in, logged in successfully, successfully. We can name this, and we can need to progress dialog dot dismiss. We need to dismiss the progress dialog, and yeah, we can send the user to the home activity. That is the home activity of the current online user. New intent of login activity dot this home activity dot class start activity, which is intent. And suppose if the password is incorrect, what we can do is we can just display a toast message. We can display a toast message saying password is incorrect. Yeah, I think everything is fine. No, we need to create this class. So we can create a new Java class. No, no, not Java class. Let us create a package first. New package. We can create it as buyer or user, whatever you like. Push it to this one, and it will ask for refactor it. Yeah, do the same for this main activity and the register activity also. It will be easy for us to identify, guys. Now it is under buyer, it is model class, it is prevalent class. Prevalent is used to get current online user, and the model class is used to get the values of that user. So now we need to now create a new activity. We can just create it for time's sake. It is called as home activity. Let us finish it. Yeah, it's working fine. Let us wait for the Gradle to build the dependencies. Make sure you have turned the internet on because it will download many things, many dependencies. Yeah, it's now built out. I hope so. Yeah, it's now built. Let us just Alt plus enter. Now let us test our app. I think everything should work fine. Let us just check and see. Let us wait for it. Don't worry, guys, we will change the complete UI later. First, let us complete the working version of the app. It's taking too long. My laptop is 3.5 years old, that's why it's lagging. But it uses 8 GB RAM. But it's lagging. What to do, guys? And it's Android Studio. It, yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's installed app. It's being installed, launching activity. Let us now log in and verify the. See, this is our password. This is our phone. So go to login. 1 2 3 4, and the password is also 1 2 3 4. Let's check for it. If everything is success, it will log in. Yeah, it's logged in. That's it, guys, for this tutorial. So we have logged in successfully. So let us give the wrong password one time. Something like this, like this. Let us check for login. Password is incorrect. So, yeah, we need to dismiss this one. Let us just, if the password is incorrect, we need to dismiss this. Yeah, can dismiss it. Yeah, everything is working fine. It's installing our application. Let me maximize it. Now let us log in. 1 2 3 4, and the password is 1 2 3 4. If it is right, it will take us to login. That is, it will take us to home page. Login successfully. Now let us try any different password. Something like this. Let us now login. Password is incorrect and the dialog progress dialog is dismissed. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Let me continue in the next tutorial.